This video shows how to replace the K imaging kit for the Xerox VersaLink C415 color multifunction printer. The black imaging kit is accessible from the right side of the printer. To replace the imaging kit, open door A and door B. To remove the right side cover, release the latches and pull the cover off the printer. To remove the waste toner container, release the latches and pull the container straight out of the printer. Using the handle, lift the toner cartridges out of the printer. To unlock the imaging kit, rotate and pull the levers up on both the sides. Pull the imaging kit out until it stops. Press the release latch and pull the imaging kit out of the printer using the two handles. Remove the new imaging kit from the box. Press and unlock the latches, then remove the packaging material from the imaging kit. The new K imaging kit includes the black imaging unit and a new drawer with the drum. Place the old color imaging units into the new kit. Be careful to protect the drums from fingerprints and light. Insert the imaging kit drawer back into the printer. Pull down the levers to lock the imaging kit drawer. Insert each toner cartridge back into the printer, then push it down until it clicks into place. Insert the waste toner container back into the printer. Insert the right side cover and push it towards the printer until it clicks. Close door A and B.